Today we are going to cook tandoori leg quarters. I've taken two tandoori leg quarters. We made small cuts onto the tandoori leg quarters, and so the ingredients needed for it. Firstly, we'll have to add a spoon of red chili powder, and then we are going to add some salt. Salt as needed for your taste, you can add, and then half a spoon of garam masala powder, half a spoon ginger garlic paste, and then we will be adding 2 spoons of curd. So 1 spoon and 1 more spoon curd, and we will be squeezing some lemon. So we are squeezing lemon, so mix it thoroughly. Little food color, add some food color, so gives you nice color to the legs. So mix it well. Add a little oil to it and then froze it. So marinate this for 6 to 8 hours, or if you would like to froze this for a day, you can froze it, then unfreeze it and bake it in the oven. Frozen chicken, we froze it for a day. Now keep this aside for 2 hours 3 hours so that it gets unfreezed, and then we can bake the chicken. These are nicely unfrozen chicken. So we marinated for about 12 hours. It was in our deep fridge, and it's unfroze. So now let's bake this chicken in oven. So we are going to keep 420 degrees Fahrenheit, preheat the oven, and then so you can use the baking trays. For now I'm just using the silver foil to bake them. So keep it onto the tray, and then we are going to keep this inside the oven. Apply some oregano, whoever is oregano lovers, so you can apply some oregano, which gives you a nice flavor. Keep it in bake. Make sure the temperature is around 420, and then make the timer on, keep it for 25 minutes. So we have some place for keeping the veggies. Whoever wanted to keep some potatoes or broccoli or cauliflower, you can keep them onto the sides. So closing the lid. After 15 minutes, make sure to turn this so that both the sides will cook properly. So now, this is cooked. So what we are going to do is, like, we will keep it in boil so that it gives you. So now we will keep it in boil so that the topper portion will get little smoky flavor and will be tasty. So along with in the broccoli, change from baked to turning off, boil, keep it in high for about, keep it in high for about 10 minutes. Wow, yummy, chicken is well cooked. So now we can take this out. So first taking out the broccoli. Yummy. You can smoke it for a while so that you will feel the smoky flavor. Whoever would like to have a smoky flavor, just for a minute do this and it will be